What's the name of the chapter?
Matter in mathematics.
Prashant sir,
Sir.
shall I commence?
Yes, sir. Start, sir. Already recorded. Record started.
Is it done? Now you start. You may start recording now.
Yes, sir. Start, sir. Start, sir. You continue.
Right. Once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, you all know that in the last class, we were discussing the chapter called Matter in Our Surroundings, right? Then could you tell what was the last concept that we had discussed? Shreya Kaya?
So what is the temperature at which Celsius scale and Fahrenheit?
Sir, unmute your audio. Unmute your audio.
We were discussing the concept called converting one temperature to another temperature. That is the concept. And with respect to this concept, we solved some of the numerical problems as well. You all know that we have three important scales of temperature, right? Could you tell them? Sit and tell. First one is Celsius scale. Second one is Kelvin scale. Third one, Fahrenheit scale. So, which among these three is considered as the SI unit of temperature?
Kelvin.
Yes,
Kelvin.
Kelvin. Right.
Kelvin, sir, Kelvin.
The relationship among these scales. Prithvi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell the relationship between Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. What is the relationship between these two? Don't turn the pages. Ranjan Arpisane? Yes, it is. K
Is
T
plus
plus 273.
273.
Lavanya?
C is equal to K minus 273.
K minus 270. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Lavanya, you tell. What is the relationship between degree Fahrenheit and degree Celsius?
9 by 5. F
Degree Fahrenheit
F 9 divided by 5 plus 32.
9 by 5
5 plus
degree
32.
Celsius plus
Plus
32.
32.
You all know that this can also be written as
C is equal to
degree Celsius is equal to 5
divided by 9.
9
F
or
minus 32.
degree Fahrenheit.
2 degrees Fahrenheit minus 32.
Is it not? So these are the four important relations with respect to different conversion of different scales of temperature which we come across, right? And even we solve the problems as well. Okay, yourself, Shreya Kya. What is the temperature at which Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale both are equal?
Minus 40.
minus 40 degree.
Minus 40 degree.
It is. We can write it as minus 40 degrees Celsius equal to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit is important. Yeah, important statement should be remembered. Then, if the temperature of a substance is 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Namitra will tell.
32.
It is 32. Temperature is given in Celsius. It is 0 degree. It should be converted into Fahrenheit. So here, when you write 0 here, 9 by 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 32 is 32. So you have to remember this point also. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Then when it is expressed in Kelvin, when 0 degrees Celsius is expressed in Kelvin, how do you write?
273 minus 273
Minus
22 minus 273 plus 273.
Okay. Temperature in Celsius is 0 degree Celsius, right? Here 0 plus 273, it is 273. Hence you can write it is 273 Kelvin. Please do remember these values. Temperature in Celsius scale is 0 degree, which is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, which is also equal to 273 Kelvin. Okay. So this much was discussed in the last class. Now we are moving to the next concept of this chapter. Dear students, we are very familiar with one of the chemical substance which exists in all the three states of matter.
water.
Water, it is available as ice, as solid. It is available as water only, that is in the liquid form. Then
Gas.
water will also be in
Water vapors.
gaseous state. Example, steam. Right? Water is the only chemical substance which exists in all the three states of matter. What is its chemical formula? Yes. Chemical formula of water.
H2O.
Very good.
H2O.
It is H2O. Here, it is an ice cube, which is made of
H2O.
water, and we call this state as solid.
Solid.
Next, now I've taken a drop of water.
Liquid.
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 Made of water molecules. What is the physical state?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Wait, not a cup of tea, instead, cup of hot water.
Yes.
Cup of hot water. Then you notice that
Water vapor.
the steam will be coming out. That is water vapor.
Water vapor.
Gas.
Gaseous state.
Gas.
Liquid.
This water, please do remember. Dear students, you will observe that water, it is available in solid, liquid, and gas. Look here. Is it possible to convert solid into liquid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It start melting and it gets converted into liquid.
Water.
Right? Then for this liquid state of water, for this
boiling
provide
Yes, sir.
continuously
Yes, sir.
Boiling process, sir. Boiling process.
gases. Here, matter, look here. Here you can come to know that the different states of matter. But when a matter is converting from one state to another state, what actually will happen and which physical quantities are responsible for converting the physical state of a matter from one to other.
Heat
Okay,
attempt.
come to know that. Wait. Observe it. Let us go for taking any solid. You may take another solid item like silver. Silver metal is taken. It should be converted into liquid. Is it possible to convert this into liquid?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it can be
Sir.
molten.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
can be
sir.
melted, no, sir.
It can be molten.
If it is to be melted, what should be done?
High flame.
Be
They have to
in be
provide
high flame.
heat.
Condensation.
When heat is being given, what actually happens inside the solid? Let me tell you. Look at inside this AG. You all know that the particles are held together tightly in
Particles
silver
are started
because
to
it is in solid state. When heat is given to it, then these particles to start vibrating more and more. Actually, we know that in solid, the particles will possess chaotic motion. Means either they will be vibrating or they will be rotating. When heat is given, then these particles will start vibrating more and more. Due to this, they start colliding. As a result of it, they start moving away from their places. When it is reaches to some extent, they become particles of the liquid. Did you understand? Very simple. See, when heat is given to a solid substance, the particles present in the solid start vibrating more. Vibration increases. Due to this, particles collide with each other. As a result of it, they start moving away from each other. Due to this, then the distance between them will go on increasing. That means kinetic energy of the particles will go on increasing. At one stage, these particles will become the particles of liquid. So this is how solid is converted into liquid. What is solid is converted into liquid. Now let us come to know how what actually takes place inside the liquid when it is being converted into gas. I go for taking water. See, this is water. You all know that in water, how the particles are arranged? The
Loosely.
particles are arranged
Loosely.
right?
Loosely.
Loosely.
Here, I'll write the particle. These are the particles present in liquid. That is, the liquid taken is water. Here, when heat is given to this liquid, already the particles are away from each other, right? And the intermolecular space is bit more than in solid. So when heat is given to the liquid, the particles will have more kinetic energy. They obtain more kinetic energy, hence they start moving away from each other. Then the intermolecular force between the particles will go on decreasing.
Reduces.
Due to this, intermolecular space increases.
Increases.
When it reaches to some stage, then these particles will become particles
Gases.
of gas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Once I repeat. Look, here we have taken the liquid called water. In that, particles are packed loosely. Right? Now, you provide heat to this. When heat is given to it, then what happens? Kinetic energy of the particles.
Increases.
That's
Yes, sir.
intermolecular force
Reduces.
increases. As due to this, intermolecular phase increases. And at one stage, these particles will become the particles of
Gaseous.
gas. Then they start moving free. Clear? So this is how liquid is converted into gas. Next,
Sir, we will give like
look here. In converting the physical state of matter from solid to gas, solid to liquid or liquid to gas. So could you tell which physical quantity is responsible?
Heat.
Heat. And we also know that heat is responsible for which physical quantity?
Temperature.
Temperature. Here, can we take temperature is one of the physical quantity which is responsible in converting.
Yes, sir, we can take.
Yes, sir.
As the temperature increases, here the solid is converted into liquid, liquid is converted into gas. Now, dear students, let me give you one situation that assume that your mother has prepared the rice and it is prepared in the pressure cooker. Then after that it is to be removed. Then you will go for removing that nozzle. Then after that, when you open the lid, what do you find?
Steam
The
vapor.
Water vapor.
Right?
Steam.
Steam.
Hold the lid in the direction of water vapors. All the vapors are collected on the inner wall of the lid, right? And when you hold that as it is, what will be your observation afterwards?
Water will be
It
falling.
become water.
Water will fall.
They converted to
Water.
water drop. They converted as water droplets. They start falling down, right? Here, can we say that gas is converted into liquid?
Yes, sir.
We can say.
Yes, sir.
When the gas is being converted into liquid, whether the temperature decreases or increases.
Decreases.
Decreases. Decreases.
Decreases.
Decreases.
decreases.
Siddesh, can you hear me? Siddesh BA. Siddesh BA, can you hear me? Idiot fellow is- Okay. Observe. Here, as I told, this is the lid. And the water vapors are collected on the inner wall of the lid. Even though when you stop providing heat, these vapors get converted into liquid and this liquid fall to the ground as drops of water. Here the temperature decreases. Now let us come to know how this gas is converted into liquid on decreasing in temperature. Here, right? Okay. This is gaseous state. Here, you all know that in gaseous state, particles are randomly arranged.
Freely arranged.
To move.
Freely.
Temperature is decreased. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿರೋ heat ನ remove ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.
The particles attract each other.
Then
The particles will attract each other.
the kinetic energy of the particles decreases. As the kinetic energy of the particles decreases, intermolecular force increase or decrease?
Increases.
As the force increases, the particles start coming closer to each
Close.
other.
They will attract each other.
Phase also decreases.
Decreases.
So at one stage, these particles will become
Liquid.
particles of the liquids. So this is how gas is converted into liquids. Clear? Next. Whether liquid is converted into solid, very simple
Yes, sir.
activity. You take
Yes,
some
sir.
amount
Yes,
of
sir.
water in a cup. Keep
Cup
it in the
and put it
freezer
fridge.
section of the refrigerator for about 30 minutes.
Half an hour.
After that, remove it. What do you find?
Ice cube.
Ice cube.
Water
Solid.
taken
Ice
in the
cubes.
cup,
Ice cube.
it becomes
Ice
solid.
cube.
Solid.
It gets converted as ice cube. So here, liquid is converted into solid. Now let us come to know what happens inside the liquid when it is being converted into solid. Here on right. Okay. This is liquid. You may assume that as water. Then we know that the arrangement of particles. They are packed loosely. When it is kept in the freezer section, I think Siddesh BA is freezed. Siddesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You are playing with the earphone and you are eating that also. So if you are feeling hungry,
No,
please
sir.
have breakfast. Because you are eating by using taking that wire. That's not fine. You are not at all concentrating here and also on your notebook. Observe. In liquid, particles are arranged loosely. When the liquid called water is taken in the cup, and when it is kept in the freezer section, then the temperature will go on falling or increasing.
Falling.
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 The temperature will become cold.
Same thing. Kinetic energy of the particles of liquid decreases.
Decreases.
Then intermolecular force
Increases.
Decreases.
Intermolecular space decreases.
Decreases.
Increases.
On decreasing, the particles will come very close to each other. At one stage, these particles will become particles of
Solid.
Solid.
Okay. So this is how liquid is converted into solid.
Solid.
Clear? Next. So in all these conversions, maybe solid to liquid or liquid to gas, gas to liquid or liquid to solid. Which physical quantity is responsible?
Temperature.
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 So to convert solid into liquid or liquid into gas, should we increase the temperature or decrease the temperature?
Increase.
The temperature.
Increase the
Increase
temperature.
the temperature. To convert
By
gas
giving
into liquid and liquid into solid,
Decrease temperature.
Decrease the temperature.
temperature. Next. So from this we have come to know that temperature is one of the physical quantity which is responsible for conversion of different states of matter. Next, I go for taking some more example to decide other physical quantity. Observe. Assume that this is one of the system. Don't take anything, non-bursting. This is one of the system in which gas is taken. And we also know that the arrangement of particles in the gas, they are arranged freely. Now, I am introducing piston in this system on either side. Let us go for exerting the force on either side. is we are exerting the force on the particles of the medium. So when force is applied, these particles start coming to closer, right? Are you following that?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Intermolecular space will go on decreasing. Intermolecular space. What do you say about intermolecular force?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Increases.
To some extent, these particles will become the particles of solid. Got it? It is solid now. So this is how gas can be converted into
Solids.
liquid. Followed? Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Solid or liquid, sir?
One more time I repeat. Assume that we have taken oxygen gas in a system. We are exerting the force on either side, which means that we are applying the pressure on the particles of the oxygen. On applying the pressure, the particles start coming closer to each other, which means the intermolecular space will go on
Increases.
but intermolecular force will increase
Increases.
at one extent. So this gaseous state of oxygen get converted into liquid state.
What?
Got it? So this gas is stored under high pressure as a liquid. So this is how gas is converted into liquid. So for converting gas into liquid, which physical quantity is responsible?
Pressure.
Temperature.
Force ಅನ್ನು apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So it is being applied on some area. Force acting on unit area of a substance is called
Pressure.
pressure. So another physical quantity responsible is pressure. Next. Similarly, I'll go for taking the liquid state matter. So in liquid, the particles are arranged loosely. Here also, when pressure is exerted on this system, then here also same thing. What happens?
Particles get
Intermolecular force
Intermolecular
increases.
increases.
Force
Force
increases.
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 At one stage, the particles of liquid
Compress.
become the particles of solid.
Solid.
This is how liquid is converted into solid by applying pressure.
Pressure.
Understood? So in the
Sir, what happens if we pressure to solid?
in the conversion of different physical states of a matter, two physical quantities are responsible. One is
Temperature.
Temperature
and pressure.
Temperature and pressure.
pressure.
dear students, whatever the conversion of matter that are being seen for each conversion, we have given particular names. Now I'm going to give you those names. Please don't go for writing anything. Afterwards, I'll give you the points.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, what happens if we exert force on solid?
When force is exerted on the solid, it will just change its shape. Shape change agusthe.
When pressure applied, sir?
Same only.
It will break, sir. Yes, sir, it will break.
Maybe different effects are there. It may be broken, it may expand, it may change its shape. Are it there? Dear students, as we know, three states of matter are: one is solid, second one is liquid, third one is gas. Look at. We know that solid can be converted into liquid on heating or cooling.
Heating.
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 On heating. So this process of conversion of physical state
Melting.
of a substance from solid to liquid. This is
Melting.
Melting.
called
Melting.
Melting.
once I repeat, very simple. The process of change of physical state of a substance from solid to liquid on heating
Heating is
is
called
called
melting.
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 When the solid is being melted, there will be no change in the temperature. So this melting takes place at particular temperature only. So this specific temperature at which our solids start melting is called
Melting point.
Melting point of
melting point.
Melting point.
Followed. Next.
melting
Even we have
melting
already
point
come
of
to know
solid.
how liquid is converted into gas. On heating
Boiling.
or cooling.
Vaporization.
On heating.
Vaporization.
On
Heating. Heating.
On heating.
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 Boiling.
And we
It
call
is called
this
as-
process, that is process of change of physical state of a substance from liquid to gas.
Boiling.
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 Called,
Boiling point of water.
it is called
Boiling point.
Vaporization.
Vaporization.
vaporization. The process of change of physical state of a substance from liquid to gas on heating is called vaporization.
Vaporizing.
And before the vaporization is taking place, then liquid, in the conversion of states of a matter from liquid to gas, then liquid start, you can see the bubbles on the surface
Boiling.
of the water.
Boiling.
Boiling
Process that
point
is
of liquid.
called, in converting liquid into gas, that is called boiling. This process is called boiling. When the liquid is boiling, there will be no change in the temperature, and we call the temperature as
Boiling point.
boiling
Boiling
point.
point.
The specific temperature at which liquids start boiling is called boiling point. Got it? Next. And even we have also come to know that gas is converted into liquid on removing the heat or adding the heat.
Removing the
Removing heat.
Removing the heat means whether it is heating or cooling.
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 Cooling. By cooling.
And this process of change of physical state of a substance from gas to liquid.
Condensation.
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 It is called condensation. Followed. Then similarly, the process of change of physical state of a substance from liquid to solid.
Cooling.
On cooling.
On cooling.
On cooling.
Freezing.
What do you call
Freezing.
the
Freezing.
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 It is called freezing. And is
Or
also known as
solidification. Solidification.
solidification. Listen, now let me give you one simple example. You are familiar with the incense stick, nothing but agarbatti. What is the physical state of that agarbatti?
Solid.
Solids.
You just go for burning it. Or
It
you
directly
light it.
changes into gaseous.
Whether it gets converted into liquid,
Gas.
Those are gaseous.
gets converted to gas.
Gas.
Not only this, even in case of camphor also. In case of camphor, when you provide or
Yes, sir.
burning, it gets directly converted to gas without coming into liquid. So this
Saline balls.
The direct
Sublimation, sir.
substance from solid to gas.
Sublimation.
It's known as sublimation. The direct
Sublimation
change of solid into gases is called as sublimation.
is called sublimation. The process of change of physical state of a substance directly from solid to gas. Ammonia. Okay. This is called sublimation. Followed. Dear students, the substances which undergo sublimation, that is, when substance is heated, directly it get converted into gas, and we call such substances as
What's that?
substances which
Supplement
undergo
substance.
Question.
sublimation is called
Sublimate.
Supplements.
sublime. Sublime. Could you give some examples? Whatever you said. that.
Yes, sir.
Camphor, incense,
Burning
ball.
of plastic.
Burning of plastic. The
naphthalene ball.
Naphthalene vapors.
Naphthalene balls.
Burning
Ammonia.
of
What are you doing? Another important
Sir,
chemical
explain sublime.
NH4 here. Anybody want to tell me? Then chemical
Pauline.
name?
Yes, sir.
Chloride. Sodium chloride.
Sodium.
Nitrogen chloride, huh? No, no, no.
Ammonium
No.
chloride. Ammonium chloride.
Very good. Ammonium chloride. It is one of the sublime. Observe it. The substances or the chemical substance which undergoes sublimation is called sublime. And the substance which is obtained as a result of sublimation, that is called sublimate. We have an activity with respect to that. Later I'll go for explaining. Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
As a result of sublimation is called sublimate. Example again, ammonium chloride. See, when ammonium chloride, it is a white crystal. When it is heated, it is directly converted to gas, without converting to liquid. That ammonium chloride is sublime. And when it is vaporized, you'll go for collecting. If you go for collecting, or if you go for placing the watch glass in the direction of its motion, then all will be collected here. But these gas particles are get converted to even solid also. We get the solid ammonium chloride, and we call that as sublimate. Understood? So sublimation, it is the process in which solid is directly converted to gas. Even gas is directly converted to solid as well. Or not? Okay. Dear students, these process of this interconversion of different states of matter can be represented in a geometrical figure called triangle.
Triangle.
Three states of matter are there: solid, liquid, and gas. Let us take these three states as three vertices of a triangle. Here, I'm going. Please observe. This is solid, and this is liquid. This is
Gaseous.
gas. Now, we all know that the solid is converted into liquid on heating. What do you call the process of change of physical state of a substance from solid to liquid?
Melting.
Melting.
The process of change of physical state of a substance.
Vaporization.
Boiling.
Boiling or vaporization.
Vaporization.
Boiling.
Vaporization. Then gas to solid.
Condensation.
Solidification.
Sublimation.
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 Sublimate.
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 Process is sublimation. Next, what is called the change of physical state of a substance directly from solid to gas?
Sublimation.
Sublimation.
Sublimation. Process of change of a physical state of a substance from gas
Condensation.
to liquid.
Condensation.
Condensation.
It is
Condensation.
condensation.
Freezing or solidification.
Then, the process of change of physical state of a substance
Liquid to
from
solid.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Solidification.
Freezing.
freezing or solidification. Got it? So this is the diagram which represents the interconversion of different states of matter. This was also asked in the examination as
Sir, should draw the triangle, sir.
well. No need. I'll give you. Artha aitala idistu?
Yes, sir.
In addition with that, we have come across 3 more points. One is boiling,
Boiling
melting
point.
point. Second one is boiling
Sublimation.
point, and one more freezing point. Alva?
Sublimation. and all.
Wait. Here. Melting point is, it is the specific temperature at which a solid starts melting,
Melting.
right? Then boiling point, it is the specific
Liquid starts
temperature
boiling.
at which a liquid starts boiling. Next, freezing point, it is the
Gases
specific
starts,
temperature, definite temperature,
evaporating.
temperature at which
Liquid starts freezing.
starts
Freezing.
liquid start to
Evaporating.
freeze. This is called freezing point. Artha aitala idistu? Now I'm going to give you the points with respect to all these. Right?
Everyone, please turn on your video. This is all for everyone. Please turn on your video. Abhinandan Dotre, turn on your video. Yagna, this is the last call. If you, it is your responsibility. Continue.
Okay, sir. Right. Effects of temperature and pressure on the interconversion of matter, interconversion of different states of matter. Next, in that, I'll go for explaining, giving you the points one by one. In that, first point is conversion of physical state of a matter from solid to
Solid to liquid.
Change in state of matter from solid to liquid. Gaurav, are you following? Have you written? Should go and write it with me. Write the points. Thank you for that. Just one simple Question. To convert the physical state of a matter from solid to liquid, should we provide the heat to the
Yes,
solid?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good.
Provide the heat. Now you write the answer for this. Explanation for this. When heat is given to a solid, when heat is given to a solid, which means when solid is heated, what will be its temperature? What will be its temperature? When heat is given to a body, what
100 degrees Celsius.
increases or decreases?
Increases.
Increases.
Temperature increases. Temperature increases. Then, what is there about the kinetic energy of the particles?
Increases, sir.
Kinetic energy,
Increases.
Increases.
kinetic energy of the particles also increases. Then, kinetic energy of the particles also increases. Then, when kinetic energy of the particles increases, what do you say about the vibration of the particles?
More.
Increases.
Increases.
More.
Increase vibration also
They are not
increases.
vibrating with a greater speed. So, right, due to this increasing, please go on writing with me, due to this increase in kinetic energy, particles vibrate with greater speed. Particles vibrate with greater speed. When the particles vibrate with a greater speed, then what do you say about the intermolecular force?
Increases.
Decreases.
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 That means particles
Force will
try
increase,
to
the space
overcome
will
the
decreases.
intermolecular force. Right. Particles try to overcome the force acting between them, or intermolecular force. Overcome the intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Listen. When they start trying to overcome the intermolecular force, then obviously they start leaving their positions and they start moving a bit freely. When it reaches to some extent or at one stage, all the particles will get converted into particles of the liquid. Right. Due to this, particles start leaving their position and move bit freely. At one stage, this solid melts and converted into liquid. So this is how solid is converted into liquid. This is how solid is converted into liquid.
Sir, and after converted written, sir, it is like converted.
Sir, last line, this solid after what, sir?
Solid is converted into liquid. You students, please go through this once. Okay. You should practice to write in your own words. When solid, observe the word. Go through it. When heat is given to a solid, or when solid is heated, its temperature increases. Then kinetic energy of the particles also increases. So due to this increase in kinetic energy, the particles vibrate with a greater speed. Then they try to overcome the intermolecular force. So due to this, they start leaving their position and move with freely at one stage. So this solid melts and converted into liquid. So this is how solid is converted into liquid. Written up. Below that, for your reference, you can draw like this. This is solid. Here, show the arrangement of particles. Just 2 lines enough. Then, as you are providing the heat, it gets converted into liquid. And this arrangement of particles in liquid can be shown. Next.
Sir, you have drawn aromatma, sir. In that we can write heat.
Yes, you can. Right. Second one. Change of physical state of matter from liquid to gas. Changing state of matter from liquid to gas. Liquid L to gas. G. Should we provide heat or not?
You have to
Yes,
provide,
yes.
sir.
Provide heat.
Heat.
Right. When heat is given to the liquid, when heat is given to the liquid, what will be the kinetic energy of the particles?
Increases.
Increases. Already we know that particles are bit away from each other, but when heat is given to that, kinetic energy of the particles increases even more. Right. When heat is given to the liquid, the kinetic energy of the particles increases even more. Written up. Then
Yes, sir.
at the boiling point of the liquid, liquid. The particles overcome the force of attraction between them. That is, overcome the intermolecular force. And start moving freely. Written.
Sir.
Wait, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is then liquid is converted into gas. Then liquid start converting into gas. Right. This is how liquid is converted to gas. Now we are moving to third one.
Sir, we should draw, sir. Liquid to gas. We should draw that liquid to gas.
Yes, that should be drawn by yourself. Just you have to show the arrangement of particles in liquid and also gas. Third one. What is third one? Change of physical state of a substance from
Gas to liquid.
gas to liquid. Gas to liquid. Right. Into physical state of a matter. This setting is a bit different. Change of physical state of a matter from gas to liquid. Right.
Sir, not the last line.
Written up. Saurabh, have you written? Should write with me. Now you tell. If you want to convert gas into liquid, whether you go for cooling time
Cooling.
or
Cooling.
heating.
Cooling, sir.
Cooling.
When gas is cooled, now you tell what is the kinetic energy of the particles?
Decreases.
Yes, decreases.
sir.
Means the particle will start losing their kinetic energy. Right. When gas is cooled, the particles lose their kinetic energy. When they lose kinetic energy, then what will be the intermolecular space between the particles?
Decreases.
Intermolecular space decreases, which means the particles will start coming closer to each other, right? Then the particles come close to each other. close to each other. Then what will be the intermolecular force?
Increases.
Increases. Means some particles will held together with a force of attraction. Right. The force of attraction. Force of attraction. Force of attraction between the particles. Particles increases at one stage. At one stage, gas start converting into liquid. So this is how gas is converted into liquid. You may draw the figure yourself. Or else draw like this. This is a liquid in which the particles are moving randomly as it is gas. Then gets converted into liquid.
Sir, for cooling, which symbol you have to use, sir?
Cooling, no, just we will write only the aroma. No particular symbol. For heating, we have. Then fourth one is same thing.
Sir, for how much marks you will give?
Physical state of a matter.
Sir is asking how much marks you will give.
2 marks for each. It will be asked for 2 marks.
With
Change of
diagram,
physical
3 marks,
state
sir.
of matter from.
Sir, with the diagram?
Yes, you must draw that. Same marks only. Liquid to solid.
Sir, by the process of melting.
Solidification.
Let's start writing.
Melting.
Right. Isn't it? For converting liquid into solid, should we provide heat or
No, sir.
cooling? Cooling only.
Cooling.
Cooling.
When the liquid is cooled, same only. When the liquid is cooled, the particles lose their kinetic energy. Wait, particles lose their kinetic energy. Almost. Then particles come still closer to each other, means very close to each other, right? Then the particles come very close to each other, Then what will be the intermolecular force?
Increases.
Decreases.
Force of attraction between the particles will be
Increases.
maximum. Due to this, the particles are held together tightly and become solid. Right. The intermolecular force
Increases.
increases maximum. Come on. And they held together tightly to get converted into solid. Full stop. This is how liquid is converted into solid. Liquid, the particles are packed loosely, then on cooling, the kinetic energy decreases, particles come close to each other, intermolecular force increases. Due to this, particles are held together tightly and become solid. Over. Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Observe. Look here, even you just go through this third statement. Change of physical state of a matter from gas to liquid. So here, this was explained by taking the temperature. Alva? When the gas is cooled, obviously the temperature decreases. When the temperature decreases, the particles they start losing their kinetic energy and also start coming closer to each other. As a result of it, intermolecular force increases. Due to this, particles are held together loosely and this matter is converted into liquid.
Liquid.
This can also be explained. This can also be explained in terms of pressure also. Observing, when pressure is exerted on the gas, what happens? The kinetic energy of the particles decreases. Right? Then the particles start coming closer to each other. Same for this. Due to this, intermolecular force or the force of attraction between the particles also increases. Hence,
The gas start converting into liquid.
hence the particles are held together loosely with some force. This is how the gas is converted into liquid. So gas can be converted into liquid in two different ways. One is
Temperature and pressure.
By cooling.
Increasing temperature.
by
By
decreasing the
exerting pressure.
and second one is
Pressure.
By increasing the pressure.
pressure. So this is how gas is liquefied. Once I repeat, gas can be liquefied in two different ways. One is by decreasing the temperature. Second one is by increasing the pressure or by applying the pressure. You write it as a side heading and write it as a question. This was given in the examination as well. Right, side heading. How do you liquefy the gas? Side heading. Write it as question. Keep your pen at one side. Often your making it to fall, then simply time is being wasted. How do you liquefy the gas? You all know that gas can be liquefied in two ways. What are those?
By
One is
decreasing temperature,
Increasing the
increasing
temperature
pressure.
and
Increasing the
exerting the
temperature.
force.
by increasing the pressure.
Pressure.
By increasing the temperature. By decreasing. By decreasing the temperature. By decreasing the temperature. Next. By increasing the pressure or by applying. By applying the pressure.
That much only, sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, repeat that 2 points, sir.
To storm.
By increasing or by applying the pressure. These are the two ways by which gas can be converted into liquid or gases are liquefied. Example, LPG, CNG, oxygen gas, carbon
Hydrogen.
dioxide gas, they are all to be converted into liquid.
Sir, hydrogen also, sir.
Liquid hydrogen is used as a fuel in the rockets.
Yes, sir.
That is also very good. Hope that you have copied this completely.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Copied.
Yes,
Section
sir.
Sir, this will be for today's test.
Sir, yesterday's only last or today's will be continued, sir.
For each point, half marks will be there. Last question, how do you liquefy the gas? It is by decreasing the temperature or by increasing the pressure. So for each point, half marks. Hence, the question will be given for 1 mark.
Sir,
Now, we are moving to the terms related to conversion of different states of matter. Right. Say, terms like involved in the interconversion of different states of matter. Right. One word. First one. What is the first term? What do you call the change of physical state of the substance?
Melting.
From solid to liquid.
Melting.
It is melting. Right. Melting. Write the definition. The process of change of physical state of a substance. The process of change of physical state of a substance. Process of change of physical state of a substance substance from
Solid to liquid.
solid to liquid. Solid to liquid is called melting. Called melting. Enough. Second one. Right. Melting point. Wait. In melting it's just you can write like this. Solid to liquid. Next one. Melting point. You all know that melting point, it is a specific temperature, definite temperature, absolute temperature, fixed temperature at which a solid starts melting. Right. The specific temperature at which a solid starts melting is called melting point. Just one example. Here they are given melting point of ice. Melting point of ice. Ice
0 degree.
start getting melted.
0
Ice cube
degree
iruttara,
Celsius.
0 degree.
start melting at 0 degree Celsius only. Melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius. And melting point of wax. You know that when the
63
candle
degrees Celsius.
is lighted, then it start converting into liquid. Do you know when it comes to what temperature it start melting? It is
63 degrees Celsius.
63 degrees Celsius. Next, third one. Right. Boiling. Right. Boiling. Right. The process which takes place while matter is converting from liquid to gas, with bubbles. You can observe when the liquid is boiling, you can observe the bubbles not only on its surface, in the whole bulk of the liquid, in the whole region of the liquid.
Small
So
bubbles.
that is why boiling is also called bulk phenomena. Please do remember. Afterwards, I'll give you that point. The process which takes place while the matter is converting from liquid to gas with bubbles is called boiling. Right. Here, just I'll give you a point. Why do we call boiling as bulk phenomena? Because it takes place in all the regions of the liquid. Very surface bubbles nododilla. Even inside the liquid also, you can observe the bubbles. That is why it is called bulk phenomena. Right. boiling is called bulk phenomenon because come on, it takes place at all the regions of the liquid. Takes place at all the regions of the liquid. Written up. One more point with respect to boiling one. Right. Boiling point.
Sir, what is the last line, sir?
Which
Sir, what is the last line? Last line.
this is a
Yes, sir.
regions. REGIONS.
Yes, sir.
Regions of the liquid. Right, this last one. The
Sir?
specific of the specific temperature. The specific temperature at which liquid starts boiling. Liquid starts boiling is called boiling point. Is called boiling point. Example. What is the boiling point of water?
100
100
degrees
degrees Celsius.
Boiling point of water is 100 degrees. Over.
Sir, effect of pressure we have to write, sir.
No need to write it separately. But in the exam, I told no the same explanation what we had taken with respect to temperature. Ade irutte. Dear students, still some more points are there, some more terms are there. Let me give you them in tomorrow's class only. But in today's
Right, sir.
online performance test, the syllabus will be given up to interconversion of different states of matter. That is, I had given the triangle, no? Adunu says irutte. Got it?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Timing it is from, yes, sir.
Dear children, please ready with your email ID. So if you add your email ID in a Google form, then only the question paper will display. Please, everyone, please be ready with your email ID. Sir, carry on, sir.
Okay.
Sir?
The test timing, it is in the evening from 7 to 7:40. Just hope that you all may be having the email ID as you have created for your school. Use the same ID for that. If when you are attending, if you find any difficulty, definitely Prashant sir will help you.
Sir, how many marks?
25
Sir?
as you.
Sir, is there a difference between boiling and vaporization, sir?
Yeah, definitely. There is difference between boiling and vaporization, and evaporation. Those differences
Sir, please.
will also be discussed. Hope that you have copied up here.
Yes, sir.
Now it is time.
Bye, sir.
We stop the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Nice.